Assalamu alaikum and good morning, beautiful people. Welcome to another session of the online English class. In the previous class, we have read the lesson to Never Never Land, and you all went through an interactive PPT and a brief explanation of the lesson. The story begins with Peter Pan flying into the nursery of three children, Wendy, John, and Michael. He is looking for his shadow and is accompanied by a fairy named Tinkerbell. In the first paragraph, underline the words uncanny and quiver. Write down their meanings. Uncanny means weird or mysterious. Quiver means short, sudden movement. Underline the word darting. It means moving rapidly. Underline the word hither and thither. It means here and there. You can pause the audio so that you can write down the meanings beside the words. So here we see Peter darting into the nursery looking for his shadow along with Tinkerbell. He tries to stick on the shadow with soap. He starts crying when he fails, which wakes up Wendy. Wendy is a sweet and well-meaning girl. She offers to sew Peter Pan's shadow after asking where he lived and is sorry to learn that Peter doesn't have a mother. Peter is delighted to have his shadow back and starts dancing around the room. He is so delighted that he forgets for an instant that Wendy had sewed it back on and says, "Look, Wendy, the cleverness of me." Underline the word crows. Crows over here means boasts. Later on, he pacifies an annoyed Wendy by saying that one girl is worth 20 boys. When Wendy asks him his age, he replies that he doesn't know as he ran away the day he was born because he heard his parents talking about him growing up to become a man. He ran away as he always wanted to remain a child and have fun. He hated grown-ups. He ran away to Kensington Garden and lived among fairies. Kensington Garden is a park in London. When Wendy wants to know more about fairies, he tells her that when the first baby laughed for the first time, the laughter broke into 1,000 pieces, and that was the beginning of fairies. Every new baby's first laugh becomes a fairy, and every time a child says, "I don't believe in fairies," a fairy drops down dead. He suddenly remembers that he shut Tinkerbell in a chest of drawers and releases an angry Tinkerbell who instantly dislikes Wendy and in her fairy language, which sounds like the tinkling of bells, calls Wendy a great ugly girl and that she is Peter Pan's fairy. Tinkerbell is jealous of Wendy as Peter wants to take Wendy with him to Neverland to be a mother to the lost boys. The lost boys are the children who fell out of their prams when they were babies and no one claimed them for 7 days. He wants Wendy to come to Neverland and tell the lost boys stories. In fact, Peter himself had come to the nursery that night to hear the story of Cinderella that Wendy's mother was telling her. Now, underline the word blissfully on page 14. Here it means peacefully. Wendy's brother John continues to sleep blissfully even after he tumbles out of bed. Wendy agrees to go to Neverland if her brothers also come along. Peter sprinkles some fairy dust on the three of them and they start flying around the room. Underline the word ripping on page 15. It means how great or awesome. Peter flies out of the nursery's open window, and the three children follow him like a flight of birds. Now, in this story, when we analyze Peter Pan, we come to know that for Peter, the most important things in his life are adventure and staying a child forever. He strongly dislikes adults and refuses to become a part of the normal world. Wendy is portrayed as being a mother first, and she loves to care for people. She appears very bossy, but cares about her brothers and Peter's well-being. The fairy Tinkerbell, in spite of being cute, is very feisty, stubborn, and hot-tempered. Upon meeting Wendy, she shows disgust and irritation, mostly out of jealousy. This drives Tink to perform acts that are rude and selfish. And that, my dear children, concludes today's class. Thank you for being a patient audience. In the next class, I will be giving you notes for the lesson. Till then, stay safe, stay alert, and stay indoors.